In front of me is Motorola Moto E14, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access, Passwords and Accounts over here. Then use this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and then to add a password, hit Add Password at the top. Finally, input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!